Alright guys, cooking channel for noobs. Noobs cooking for noobs as well. Well, I'm off to the store to get some ingredients. What we're gonna get is we're gonna get some steak. Steak bites is what we're making. Hopefully I can find that. That'd be kind of cool if I can get it where it's already cut into bits, because sometimes they do that. Otherwise, I'm just gonna buy some steaks and we'll cut them up ourselves. Easy peasy. So let's see what else we can get. I need a few other ingredients while we're there. Meet you at the store. One day, this parking spot will be mine. Oh yeah. Yum. Oh yeah. That's for later. Dog has to eat fancy. Alright, I think I got the goods right here. It's already seasoned, but it's seasoned lightly, the man tells me. So we're gonna go with that. And yeah, steak bites, look at that. Yeah. Alright, I got all the stuff I need, and I got some stuff I don't need. That always happens. And I'm on my way back to the house to put all the groceries away, and then we're gonna make ourselves some steak bites, which I'm pretty happy with. I like that idea. Steak bites are good if you make them right, and hopefully this air fryer is gonna make them right. That's the plan. Well, hey guys, back with some noob cooking. Got all the stuff at the grocery store. As I said, things that I don't need to. But we got the meat here. And the thing is that we looked at all the ingredients that are on here, and it's got all the stuff that
it's already pre-seasoned, so
more than we think that we need. So we're just gonna go with what they did. Although we did make some garlic butter kind of a
it's like a spread. Yeah, I guess.
So basically we're just gonna put this into the air fryer and do what they say that as far as that one recipe.
To cook it, yeah.
Yeah, so let's get the air fryer all set up over here and start popping this in. And what is it, like 12 minutes
10
max?
to 12 minutes for each side. Yeah,
And
so
then,
basically
or each side, or half, or is that total?
That's all. That's just for one side.
Oh geez, it's gonna take a bit.
Yeah, so it'll be about 24 minutes ish.
Okay. Well, hopefully this works out.
I'm gonna read again just to be sure, but I'm pretty sure it said 12 minutes each side.
Because it sounds like that's a lot of cook time on steak. That would I might overcook it.
Let's see. It says. Oh no. It says. Oh no, 12 minutes. And I guess halfway through you flip it. So
yeah,
12 minutes altogether.
So
6 minutes, flip it, and then
let's do that.
6 minutes again.
All right.
So yeah, that's actually perfect. Yeah, you're actually right. Now that I think about it, you'd make it even more well done than it is.
You'd be chewing on that for days.
I don't think you want it that well done. I mean, actually, we get so much criticism for that. They'd be like, "What the hell? You ruined it!" And we're like, "Yeah, we did," and we're gonna take responsibility for it too.
All right, so if you want to wrap her up, I'll get the air fryer closer to our table there.
I'll get you up here.
Cool. We're preheated.
We're preheated.
Let's put it back in there.
All right. This time with better results.
Yes.
Gonna put it in there a little bit different this time. And watch, I'm not gonna be able to fit it all back in. You're like, what the heck? What happened? Actually, might be able to. No, I fit about the same amount.
Okay.
Yeah, I fit about the same amount. So That's that for that, and then we can put that in there for 6 minutes.
6 minutes, and then we'll turn
and
it.
then we turn it. We can butter garlic it first,
So
and
it's
then
still going to be 400 though, right?
Yes, it is still going to be 400.
Okay. So we're gonna go steak. It's 400. Yeah, 6 minutes already.
6 minutes already.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
That's one of the programs in
Yeah, well, there you go. That's why. It knows. It knows.
That's good. All right, so we're gonna do that. Oh, in the meantime, what we did was we made we just put some butter.
This is called Nature Balance
Yeah.
butter.
So it's not real butter. Let me show everybody what it looks like.
It's for people that can't
Earth
eat
balance.
butter. Earth balance. Sorry, Earth balance.
Yeah.
It's for people that can't actually have dairy.
And I just put it in the microwave and I nuked it a little bit into here, and then I put what we've just got this garlic herb spice. Yeah, there we go. I put that in there, and not very much, just that in there, and I could smell it. And so now we have garlic butter that we're gonna baste the bites with.
Halfway through, we'll brush some of that on, turn them over,
Yep.
cook them the rest of the way, and then brush some more on it on the very end of the cooking time.
Yes.
So, good stuff.
Super simple. I don't normally put butter on my steak bites, but
I've seen people
do it.
I've seen people cook it
Yes.
with butter. Like they'll, whenever they're cooking a steak, they'll put a glob of butter in there, and then when the
looks
butter
weird.
melts, and then they just kind of like baste it as with the spoon as they're cooking it.
I swear, it's like I've never done that. That looks weird, but honestly, I can't. I've never tried it, so we'll give it a shot. And see if this
I
is
have.
Good.
It's good. It's.
Okay.
I mean, it makes it a little
More
bit
savory?
Yeah, more savory. I mean, it gives it more flavor, if you
Okay.
will. I mean, especially if you put an herb with the butter, it actually makes it a little more taste. The flavors, I guess, pop. I guess.
Okay, so it's worth a shot.
It's worth a shot.
So
yeah.
I might decide at this point that that I'm never going to do that again, or that this is the best way to make.
There you go. There you go. I mean, honestly, and like I was telling you off camera earlier, that basically this is just an entree. This is just, a meal you can make
one
with.
part of it.
Yeah, this is just part of a meal. So basically, you could make it with just like potato wedges,
Right, or some
like
scallop potatoes,
scallop
maybe.
potatoes, or you can make vegetables with it, or anything like that. I mean, any kind of side that you would like, you can have. You can have it with salad. But who has steak and salad? I mean, come on now.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
No, sometimes I do that. All right.
No, but it's a personal preference. I mean,
Right.
this right now is just an entree, and it already smells amazing.
It does smell good.
It smells really
It
good.
smells good in here, guys. You're gonna like this. So this is super easy, especially since this was already made at the grocery store for me. I didn't have to cut it, but
Yeah.
I would have just taken a piece of steak and we would have cut it. So we would have cut it just like that. Did the camera work?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna open it up.
Look at that. That looks amazing already.
Yeah.
Are we sure we have to kick that another 6 minutes? I mean, come on.
Maybe.
All right. Space this. Space not, want not. Get it? Ha 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 ha.
Is it even gonna show it in there? It's kind of dark.
Yeah. This one works better than the one that I have at home. And I have something similar. What doesn't make any sense? All right, and then we're gonna flip them. Oh, let's put that there. I don't know, maybe I should use cleaner ones, because these have raw meat on them, and I don't want to be that cross-contamination guy.
All right. Got you covered.
All right. All right, and then we're just gonna flip them over. I'm telling you, that looks ready.
Right. Well, we'll do it what they say.
Yeah, hey, I'm not gonna go against the internet, because the internet's always right.
Always.
The internet doesn't make up stories and lie. All right. I think that's good. Yep. All right. Cool. Then we're gonna put that back in there. And then steak.
Yep.
Maybe we should drop the time a little.
Instead of 6, you want to go 4?
Yeah, maybe 4.
All right.
Not that. Wrong one. Time. and see how that does.
Yeah.
You know?
Because it was already brown and
well, yeah, it looked good. It looked cooked to me. I
that
mean,
way there could be a little pink in the middle.
Yeah, hey, yeah. I like medium rare.
Yeah.
I don't know about you, but I'm a medium rare kind of guy. Choop.
All right, look at that.
That smells amazing. And then, like we were gonna do, put a little bit of this on the end of it.
That's right.
Make it a little more buttery.
It smells awesome.
It smells amazing. All right, folks, we got steak bites.
Oh,
man.
Okay. Yeah, that looks amazing.
Yeah, I mean they look done.
Well, let's give it a shot.
Yeah.
Don't even have to use a knife. Look at that.
Look at that.
Okay. Look at still. I would say this is medium rare. I mean medium.
Well.
Medium well.
So
maybe 4 minutes and then 4 minutes. That might give you that to get more medium.
a little more redness inside. We didn't ruin it. It's still good.
Yeah, it's still very good.
But honestly, yeah, I mean, those people. There's some people out there that like medium well, honestly. But when you lean towards more of the medium rare, yeah, you cut the time in half. I would say or not even cut the time in maybe by a quarter. So instead of putting it on there for 6 minutes each side, like you said, put it on there for 4 minutes each side, and then see where you get from there. And I mean, honestly though, it's still a really good, really good steak bite.
I mean, look at how it's like crispy on part of this side here. So it's like it's got some crisp to it, like seared, even though there was no searing involved. So it looks seared. And then we turned it over, and this side still has that going on. And these aren't really fatty pieces. These are really nice. The fact that it was cooked a little long, it's a slightly chewy, but
honestly,
but the flavor.
Yeah, it's slightly chewy, but truthfully speaking, like some people like like I said, some people like medium rare or medium well, and so you're gonna get that chewiness anyways. But for being cooked in the air fryer, it's pretty darn good. I mean, I would definitely recommend somebody cooking steak in the air fryer. If you don't know how to cook a steak, cook it in the air fryer. Just cut the time in half.
This one came with the seasoning already on it, and I'm pretty happy with what they did. We added a little garlic butter, and it was pretty good. It's so easy. You guys watched us make it. We're noobs.
Yeah.
So this is cooking for noobs, as noobs. So there you go. You guys can feed yourselves. You don't have to starve. Just go to the grocery store and buy some pre-cut steak bites. You're set.
Yep. And these were, I think, what'd you pay? Like $12 for these?
These were 17 actually. But just look at what we did right here.
Dude,
and I still got all this.
Yeah, that's enough for like 3 people at least.
Yeah.
And then especially if you cook vegetables and
There's so much more.
Yeah, you cook a vegetable inside.
Yeah.
Oh, that's enough for 3 people, easy.
Oh,
easy.
big time. So that's all we got for this episode. I hope I like making them kind of quick and easy. And if you like this, click the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, hit subscribe, because we're going to keep making this kind of a thing.
Oh,
so I hope you enjoyed yourself, and we'll see you next time.
Later.